Hello creative friends, welcome to my channel Rosehaven 777 and welcome to today's video. Timeless. What does this mean? Well, timeless is an adjective, meaning without beginning or end, eternal, everlasting. If you describe something as timeless, you mean that it is so good or beautiful that it cannot be affected by changes. You're saying it's just as great now as it was then. Well, that's what we all hope our art will be. This video is part of the Junk Journal July series, and today's prompt is timeless. You will see me creating 2 pages, gathering objects that represent the meaning of classy or timeless, like architecture, angels, an old car, or statues. On the other side, there's a ticking clock to remind us all to use our time wisely, to stay focused and be in the now, like this little kitten. Who can resist nature's beautiful butterflies? What represent timeless to you guys? Please write me in the comments.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap motels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be. From the back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I look forward speaking with you in my next video tomorrow. Happy creating, Fatima.